Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you how we can easily add MACD, moving average convergence with divergence / divergence. So what you want to do is pretty simple and pretty easy. This is not an explanation video how you can use it, this is just only where you can find it. So we have like everything figured out. Click on indicators and strategies, and on search you just like go with the MACD and aka McDonald, and it was such a bad joke. And here you go. So here you got a MACD, aka moving average convergence / divergence. So first thing first, this is like the MACD line, and this is the signal line that you will have, which is for signaling, and that's it. There's like also plenty of guides like how you can use it, but this is again only of how you can add MACD to your TradingView platform. So thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.